This is the Weller WE1010 soldering unit. We've had this for several years for use on our model railroad layout. We use this on a nearly daily basis for repair of train engines, soldering lights together, control systems, even at the highest temperatures, soldering brass train track together. A few highlights of the unit which we like here. It has a very nice 3.5 or so foot long cord. That's able to reach around most of our workbench if we're working on things that are not exactly close to the base unit. The pencil tip can be changed out as needed. Right now the pencil tip is roughly 675 degrees, and I don't feel any of that heat coming through the insulated handle grip. The cable has a very nice strain relief. The soldering pencil cable is also detachable to the base unit. Simply insert, push, and turn to lock it in place. Power button, display lights up. You can adjust the temperature up and down, set a timer. You can set offsets for the temperature, and you can toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Power uses a standard HP plug. You can see it comes with a quality tip. The solder beads up very nicely. The pencil base is metal. It's not plastic like other brands that I've seen. The coil disperses heat very nicely. Right now, this is set to 675 degrees, and I can touch this without any problem. It comes with a sponge holder area and a sponge used for cleaning off the tip. We actually have 2 of these units. This particular one is running just like new. I hope this Weller 1010 soldering unit works as well for you as it does for us. Now, let's go see the handiwork of our day and run some trains.